welcome to Create Melodic Guitar Solos, and this is the third part already of this series, and it's all about studying, analyzing melodic guitar solos and using the ideas and principles to make our own melodic solo. And this time we will look at the solo from I Live My Life For You from Firehouse. The guitar player is Bill Leverty, very melodic guitar player, and it's in the key of D, and the progression goes D, B minor, G, and A. It's 1, 6, 4, 5 progression, very basic progression. It's very melodic because the first part uses the melody of the song, which is the verse. But not exactly that melody. He changes a bit. He used the interval called the fifth. Fifth is this one is D to A, D, E, F, G, A. That's fifth. And then A to E, A, B, C, D, E. So that's how he changed the melody. And let's try to play it so that you can hear it. Fifth. Again, fifth. So it means we can put the fifth, or you can use the fifth to make a melodic solo. So I'll try to improvise and put a lot of that. Let's see what will happen. A lot of fifth there, D to A, then A to E, D to A to E again, then D to A. So, yep, nice tool if you want to have that kind of melodic approach. D to A. And the second part of the solo is basically the same as the You Are My Religion solo. Uses chord tones. It's the Create Melodic Solo tool. You can check that out. And this one is again D, and use the notes D and A. Of course, that's chord tone. Melody goes, yeah, just going down, and then goes to B minor, and just staying there, D and A, which makes it like a B minor 7 tonality. And then moves to E minor. We have the B and the E on the 12th fret. Then, and the last part we have a scale, the D major scale, bent on the 24th fret, and finishes on the root, which is the D on the 22nd fret. Yep. So I'll try to play that and explain it. So this is the D, B minor, E minor, and then the scale. Yeah, so it means we can use this D and maybe try to go on the D on the 14th fret, the shape, D shape, and then use that melody. And then in the E minor we go to the 15th fret, E minor shape, like this. And then just do a simple D major scale run. Okay, and I'll try that one. And then the scale. And that's about it for this solo. As you can see, learning the principles, studying the ideas that he used on the solo, and creating our own solo, melodic solo. So I hope you liked the lesson. Give me a thumbs up if you find it nice and helped you. And comment down below if you have any requests, suggestions. Follow me on Facebook and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So thank you so much for watching. And this is Alvindeleon saying ciao, rock on, and have a great day, guys.